Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Let me just give you some information on an affiliate marketing course that you can actually take up and make yourself a passive income. So this is their website right here. This is the website. So on Extra Academy, you're obviously going to want to start off being a beginner affiliate marketer. So being a beginner affiliate marketer, there's actually a discount. The course should be going for $189, where you get one-on-one practical skills training, but it's actually going for $15.99. And then you've got the intermediate affiliate marketing course, or the professional affiliate marketing course, which is going for 289 from 389. And then you've got your master class. Your master class affiliate marketing is 489, which should be 899, which means you can take advantage of these specials. But I'm going back to where I wanted to start you guys off with. So here you've got the beginner affiliate marketing program. If you click on view details, then you're going to get information ref to what it's all about and etc. So there's one-on-one practical skills training course, beginner affiliate marketing. And then this here is the description of the affiliate marketing. This comprehensive affiliate marketing course equips you on how to identify and choose profitable niches to maximize your online marketing success. Understanding target markets enables you to leverage niche products that align with an audience need, or our performance marketing course equips you with the skills to build a sustainable income through digital marketing. Once you've mastered the niche selection, the course transitions to setting up and configuring your first online affiliate marketing campaign. You'll discover how to leverage viral potentially to promote your chosen products or services effectively. This beginner CPA marketing course covers everything from setting up to crafting engaging content, adding affiliate links, and running paid ad campaigns with direct linking strategies. So the rest you guys can read through that. You can check the link on the bio. Who is this course for and what you will learn? So you can read through all that. But most importantly, when you're ready and you've gotten the link, just go and click on check out here. So when you come and check out here, that enables you to pay and enroll for the course. It's only $15.99. For those of you that are in South Africa, it's only going for 280 Rand. Don't forget to like and share, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and share. And please do follow my profile so that you can keep yourself updated. And I'll be sure to update you with more information. Thanks.